Dear audience friends, hello everyone. Today I want to explore with you a very interesting topic: how do sunspots affect climate change on Earth? What is the underlying scientific mechanism? Sunspots are relatively dark areas on the sun's surface that continuously form and disappear. Scientists have discovered that when the number of sunspots increases, the Earth's temperature decreases. So what is the relationship between sunspots and climate change on Earth? This has always been a topic that everyone is very interested in. According to scientific research, the reason sunspots affect the Earth's temperature is because sunspots represent the peak of the solar activity cycle. When sunspots frequently appear, it means solar flares increase, releasing enhanced ultraviolet radiation and other emissions. These enhanced radiations hit the Earth's atmosphere, prompting more cloud formation, which reflects and absorbs more solar radiation, leading to decreased surface temperatures. Why do sunspots affect the release of ultraviolet rays and radiation? This is because the magnetic field around sunspots is stronger than normal areas. This strong magnetic field restricts heat transfer, causing the sunspot areas to cool relatively. When heat transfer is suppressed, the sun's thermal energy is released in the form of radiation, thus generating more ultraviolet rays and radiation. In addition, some scientists believe that sunspots also affect the Earth's ocean circulation system. This is because the oceans can absorb heat from solar radiation, forming warm surface currents. When solar radiation decreases, the heat absorbed by the oceans declines, and the heat of the warm currents will also decrease, which in turn affects the climate. Increased cloudiness also blocks heat transfer to the oceans, forming a complex feedback loop. So there is close heat exchange and interaction between the oceans and the atmosphere. In summary, sunspots represent changes in solar activity and radiative output. These changes affect shifts in the Earth's climate system through the complex interactions of the atmosphere and oceans. To more accurately predict climate change, continued research on solar activity is very important. Thank you for watching.
大家好，我们来复习影片的英文单字。Sunspot。Sunspot 这个单字的意思是太阳黑子，是指太阳表面较暗、温度较低的区域。常见于太阳表面，有时也会影响太阳活动。例如 ，Sunspots can cause changes in solar activity。这句话的意思是，太阳黑子可能导致太阳活动的变化。Decrease。这个单字的意思是减少，指数量、程度或大小减少的过程。例如 ，We need to decrease our energy consumption。这句话的意思是，我们需要减少能源消耗。Represent。这个单字的意思是代表，表示某物是另一物的象征或代表。例如 ，The national flag represents our country。这句话的意思是，国旗代表着我们的国家。Enhance。这个单字的意思是增强，意指提高、加强或改善某物的品质或效果。例如 ，We need to enhance the security measures。这句话的意思是，我们需要加强安全措施。Absorb。这个单字的意思是吸收。指的是吸收或吸引某事物，特别是涉及吸收能量或液体。例如 Plants absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. 这句话的意思是植物吸收阳光进行光合作用。Restrict. Restrict. 这个单字的意思是限制，表示限制或控制某物的范围、数量或活动。例如 ，The new policy restricts smoking in public places. 这句话的意思是新政策限制了公共场所的吸烟。Ultraviolet. Ultraviolet. 这个单字的意思是紫外线，用来形容在光谱中波长较短的光线，例如来自太阳的紫外线。例如 ，Wearing sunscreen protects your skin from ultraviolet rays. 这句话的意思是擦防晒霜能保护皮肤免受紫外线伤害。Solar. Solar. 这个单字的意思是太阳的，用来形容与太阳相关的事物或来自太阳的性质。例如 ，Solar panels generate electricity from sunlight. 这句话的意思是太阳能板从阳光中产生电能。Form. Form. 这个单字的意思是形成，表示形成或建立某事物的形状、结构或性质。例如 ，The clouds form before a storm. 这句话的意思是暴风雨前会形成云层。Predict. Predict. 这个单字的意思是预测，表示预先说明或推测未来事件或结果。例如 ，Meteorologists predict heavy rain tomorrow. 这句话的意思是气象学家预测明天会有大雨。以上就是今天的单字介绍，希望这些单字能够帮助大家提高英语能力，谢谢大家。